Hey guys, today we'll read CSV file saved in your computer and display 10 rows from that particular file. Consider the file which is vegetables.csv and which is located in the D drive of your computer. So we'll upload this into Google Colab and display the first 10 rows using pandas. Okay, so that's actually the question. So for that, what I did is I have opened Notepad. So this is Notepad, and I created a .csv file, something like this, name, color, and price. And I have given the name of the vegetable, the color of the vegetable, and price. So consecutively, I have given some vegetables like this. You can also give bitter gourd. Okay, so bitter gourd, and then the color of bitter gourd is green, and then the price of that is say 26 rupees. Okay, so this is how like we'll be creating a CSV file. For this, like we just need to click on save as, and it opens like this. So I'm on the D drive. So go to the D drive. So this is the D drive. And then I'm saying vegetable. Okay, so vegetables dot CSV. And here it should change to all files. And here UTF-8 is okay. So now click on save. So when you click on save, so it is vegetables.csv saved on the D drive. Now we'll go to Google Colab and show you to extract the first 10 rows. To extract, so we'll see what are the first 10 rows. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, and 10. So the first 10 rows will be till drumstick. Okay, so okra and bitter gourd will not be shown. So just to show you how to extract these 10 rows. So here is how to load your CSV file in the Google Colab. So just run this. So when you run this, it will show a box to pick your file from the computer. So we are picking the file from the computer. So the file is in the D drive. So just open the D drive. So D drive and then pick vegetables. So vegetables.csv, right? So then open. Okay, so you can see the file has opened. And then we are using pandas, that's a Python go-to library for handling data tables. So read underscore CSV will read your CSV in a table called a data frame. Finally, header 10 shows you the first 10 rows. Okay, so a quick peek at your data. So there are other options as well. So if you want to get the last 10 rows, so you can use tail. So I can say d.tail, and then when I run this, so choose the file once again. So this is in the D drive. So let's say vegetables.csv. So I'm uploading it into Colab, and then you can see the last 10 rows mentioned. Okay, so if you don't want the first 10 and the last 10, but you want some random 10 samples, so I can simply say sample. Okay, so when I run this, the random 10 rows will be loaded into uh, the Google Colab. So vegetables.csv. So when I click on open, so we'll be able to see some random 10 rows have uploaded. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.